Two possibilities exist. Either we are alone in the universe or we are not. Both are equally terrifying. I'm sure the universe is full of intelligent life. It's just been too intelligent to come here. The only way of discovering the limits of the possible is to venture a little way past them into the impossible. Any sufficiently advanced technology is indistinguishable from magic. How inappropriate to call this planet Earth when it is clearly ocean. Magic's just science that we don't understand yet. I don't believe in astrology. I'm a Sagittarius and we're skeptical. One of the greatest tragedies in mankind's entire history may be that morality was hijacked by religion. It was the mark of a barbarian to destroy something one could not understand. What was more, they had taken the first step toward genuine friendship. They had exchanged vulnerabilities. It has yet to be proven that intelligence has any survival value. I am an optimist. Anyone interested in the future has to be, otherwise he would simply shoot himself. The more wonderful the means of communication, the more trivial, tawdry, or depressing its contents seem to be. Now I'm a scientific expert. That means I know nothing about absolutely everything. Science is the only religion of mankind. A faith that cannot survive collision with the truth is not worth many regrets. It must be wonderful to be 17 and to know everything. Sometimes I think we're alone in the universe, and sometimes I think we're not. In either case, the idea is quite staggering. There were some things that only time could cure. Evil men could be destroyed, but nothing could be done with good men who were deluded. Politicians should read science fiction, not westerns and detective stories. I will not be afraid because I understand, and understanding is happiness. This is the first age that's ever paid much attention to the future, which is a little ironic since we may not have one. But please remember, this is only a work of fiction. The truth, as always, will be far stranger. Behind every man now alive stand 30 ghosts, for that is the ratio by which the dead outnumber the living. Never attribute to malevolence what is merely due to incompetence. Now I understand, said the last man. Whether we are based on carbon or on silicon makes no fundamental difference. We should each be treated with appropriate respect. Utopia was here at last. Its novelty had not yet been assailed by the supreme enemy of all utopias, boredom. When in doubt, say nothing and move on. The time was fast approaching when Earth, like all mothers, must say farewell to her children. But he knew well enough that any man in the right circumstances could be dehumanized by panic. I don't believe in God, but I'm very interested in her. Humor was the enemy of desire.